Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah Okimbo, and if you're just me for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And in this video, I'll just be teaching you how to knot your braids in very beautiful style. I hope that you enjoy this one. See you. So guys, the first style is very simple. Just drop your hair down and that's it. It's easy, it's simple, and you can do anything with it. Very simple, as you can see. So the second style is easy too. You just knot two sides of your braids in a cornrow. Just do it on the two sides, as you can see. Knot the other side too, and get a rubber band as I used, just tie it behind and roll it, and that's it. Very easy, very simple. You can rock this out to the office. The third style is also very simple. Part your braids to the right or to the left, whichever you like, and then pack from behind into a bun, and then roll the front round the bun that you packed behind and secure it as with a pin or something. I didn't secure mine because it was easy. And then fifth style, you can also turn the other bun back. As you can see, beautiful, right? So this is easy to do for anybody. It's beginner friendly kind of style. So the fifth style, and this is my favorite style, you pack your hair into a bun and divide it into two. Then you knot the two sides, as I'm doing. Just very simple, just knot it. Knot both sides. And then pack them round and put the other one in front. Secure it. I didn't secure mine because I was just doing this video for fun. And yeah, so as you can see, I love this. I love the look. It's really beautiful. You can try this. It doesn't take you anything. It's very easy. So the sixth style is you already packed your bun up. Then just leave these two little cute hair strands in front just for style, and then make it round, make it tight and steady so that you can carry it as long as you can. So yeah, simple. So this is the seventh style. This is very easy to just pack your braids up, secure it with a rubber band. Then take a little strand of the hair to cover the colored style, and that's it. It's very easy. You can also take this to the office or anywhere you like. The eighth style is just to divide your hair into two, pack the front section, tie it with a band, make it as tight as you can, and then just do a bun, a high bun, and that's it. You have it. Very simple. I like the style too. So yes, it's very easy to do. And then my ninth style is just to move my braids to my left and carry it. That's simple. Do remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.